everyone, I'm Leon, welcome to another video. I make content every day focused on video production, making money online, tutorials and business. So if those are your interests, then be sure to subscribe with the bell on. Now in this video I'm going to be showing you how to download Hitfilm Express, which is basically a free video editing software, which in my opinion is as good as DaVinci Resolve and Premiere Pro. So without any further hesitation, let's get started. Okay everyone, so this is the official Hitfilm Express download page, and as you can see here, there's a download for free option, so we're going to click on that obviously. And there are actually two versions of this. There's Hitfilm Express and just Hitfilm, which is basically the paid version. So there, so just click download. And essentially just put your name there. Okay, so now just click the send me the Express download. And now I've got to go to my fucking email. And this essentially is the download file. So just click get your Express installer. Okay, so you got between two options, Windows installer and the Mac installer. So I'm on Windows, so I'm gonna click the Windows installer. It should show up right there. Oh wait, it has. And just let that download essentially. Okay everyone, so this is the Hitfilm Express setup wizard. So I'm gonna click next. I accept the terms in the license agreement, and just click next. You can choose between three types of installer, and you can choose between three types of installations. So you have typical, custom, so you can, it says it right, that speaks for itself, and complete installation, so you have everything. So I'm just gonna go for and ready to install Hitfilm Express. Just click install, and just let it do its thing, I guess. And also it says, do you want to allow this app to make changes to click yes. I'm recording, so I'm not gonna click that option. I'm gonna go for that one, and just let it install. And as you can see, Hitfilm Express has been installed. And that is how you download Hitfilm Express. If this video was valuable to you, then be sure to subscribe with the bell on for more videos. Leave a thumbs up and share the video around to help it rank in search results and help the channel grow. Leave your questions or feedback in the comment section, or pop me a message at leonofficial_17. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Take care everybody.